Have you ever wondered how to bake a cake that is so soft and rich that it melts in the mouth? Today I'll show you how to bake the ultimate vanilla buttermilk cake. Follow along, let's create magic together. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and also share. Alright guys, let's get into the show. We'll start with the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, add 345 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Whisk this together briefly until well combined. Once done, set the bowl aside. Next, measure out 1 cup of milk. For the best results, I recommend evaporated milk. It adds a rich flavor and lasts longer. Set that aside also. Now crack 4 large room temperature eggs into another bowl. Room temperature eggs help your batter mix smoothly, so don't skip this step. Let's move on to creaming the butter and sugar. Measure out 227 grams of soft margarine and 250 grams of granulated sugar. Using a hand or stand mixer, cream them together on high speed. You'll know it's ready when the mixture becomes pale and fluffy. Once it's light and airy, reduce the mixer speed to medium and start adding the eggs one at a time. Be sure to mix thoroughly after each addition. Now it's time to add some flavor. Scrape down the sides of your mixing bowl, then add 1 tablespoon of butterscotch flavoring and 2 tablespoons of vanilla flavoring. Mix this in gently for just a few seconds until they are fully incorporated. Here comes the most important part: combining the dry and wet ingredients. Add your dry ingredients in 3 batches, alternating with the milk in 2 batches. Always start and finish with the dry ingredients. This method ensures your cake stays moist and fluffy. Mix gently until the batter is smooth, but be careful not to overmix. We are almost ready to bake. Grease and line an 8-inch round pan with baking paper. Pour the batter into the pan, then use a spatula to level it out. Gently tap the pan on your work surface a few times to release any trapped air bubbles. This little step makes a big difference in how your cake bakes. Now place the pan in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius. Bake for about 45 minutes or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. The aroma will tell you it's almost ready. Once your cake is baked to perfection, transfer it to a cooling rack and let it cool completely before serving. And there you have it, the softest, most flavorful vanilla buttermilk cake you've ever made. So that's it guys. If you loved this recipe and love more easy baking tips, do let me know in the comments. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like this video. See you in my next video.